Creating an opera song is very easy on Suno AI, and this is how you do it. So first of all, you have to know the kind of song you want to create. Do you have the lyrics? If you have the lyrics and you want to customize it to what you want it to look like or sound like, you would click on the custom button. But if you do not have any particular uh, preference, you can click on the simple option and then click on create, and you can just edit this and make it create an opera song with celestial vocals and deep male voice. So and then you can click on the reload button to give you something that would suit, that will be in accordance with what you want. Smooth beats, yes, soulful male vocals. You can also choose hard eating, maybe rock. I don't want rock band. So all you have to do is just go through the list and choose what would appeal to you, and then you can click on create and wait for your music to be created. And now we can click on the song to hear it play. Now this is very good, and we can proceed to generate more songs of our choice and tailor them to what we want them to sound like. So thank you very much and do have a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment below.